Hi, it's Tony again from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're looking at the Siamp Optima 50 dual flush installation. So the first job is to install the cradle, which you remove off the flush by unclicking it, remove the back nut, install with the rubber, make sure your rubber's nice and flat in there, and just spin the nut up. You'll need to tighten these up with spanners. I've got quite a good grip, so that's not bad. We have installation videos for the 49 and the S as well as the 50. This cradle will fit all three of those, so you don't have to worry about the cradle, and it's the same clicking mechanism for all as well. They're just different mechanisms of the flush. Now, here you can see we've already got a cradle installed. 2-inch cradle. So this is designed for a close couple suite more because you get the pack with the washer and the bolts for sitting on top of the cistern. So that's why it's a 2-inch opening to get more volume of water down there. If you've got a low level cistern, i.e. it's on the wall and there's a flush pipe between your cistern and the pan, then this cradle can be used, which gives you an 1.5 inch opening for the flush pipe. And that can be tightened in the same way. And the cradle, internal cradle, is identical. So now we can install the valve, unclip the cable where the button's going to be attached to, and slide it in. And one click like that will secure the valve. And also allow wherever the button wants to be fixed, on the side, up front, or even underneath a panel. This is just one, obviously, of the many options where the button goes. This is just in a lid, in the top of the lid. And now we just need to attach the cable connection onto the button. As you can see here, there's a little spring clip. And on here, there's a little groove recess to the mechanism. Try and show you which way it attaches. It pushes in, there's a little clip which holds it in place. And then as you see, it's working the flush. And obviously to disassemble, it's the reverse. Push the little clip in, that gets it off the button. And in here, it's just a case of twist. That comes straight out. As easy as that.